With the SolarEdge software ecosystem, you can save valuable time and close more deals. Get peace of mind from conception to installation using SolarEdge's intuitive tools. Start with creating a project in Designer, SolarEdge's free online tool that helps solar professionals plan, build, and validate SolarEdge residential and commercial systems. This graphical tool provides streamlined design process with automatic stringing and instant design validation. When your design is ready for installation, simply export the project to the SolarEdge monitoring platform. Your site is created instantly, including all the site's details and physical layout. During the installation process, scan and assign the power optimizers and inverters barcodes to the right location in the system physical layout using SolarEdge's Mapper app. Your site is now ready to start producing energy. With SolarEdge's module-level monitoring, you will get free, real-time performance monitoring and remote maintenance. Gain insight for production and consumption, battery charge level, and EV charge status, all with an easy access from any computer or direct from the palm of your hand.